Hey, so today I'm going to do something I've never done before, which is an unboxing. And I just got the Neewer Z1N in the mail yesterday afternoon, and I have not opened it yet. And I'm excited, so I was going to share it with you guys. Okay, so first things first, I do want to mention I am not a gear snob or a gear geek, I guess you could say. I know my stuff, I know what I shoot with, and I know a lot about it. Flashes are not my area of expertise. I only use them on occasion when needed. And I have been shooting with a newer speed light. It's a 752. And I've had this for years. I have a Bolt VX760N. Now this bolt fell out of my camera bag and this popped off, and it's just not working right. Hence the purchase of this flash. Oh, sorry, here we go. I mainly use a flash when I'm shooting newborn sessions because I do all my newborn sessions in home and I can never predict what the lighting is going to be like. And even if somebody has really amazing natural light and big windows in their home, I almost always have my flash on my camera for bounce light. I always have it bouncing. It's never direct. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so when you first open, here's how it is all packaged. I take the little gel pack out. God, there's a lot in here. A little stand. Okay, I will say the one thing that drew me towards purchasing this is it comes with this little diffuser, or a dome diffuser that has little magnets on it that I know we're gonna stick onto the flash. Let me pull the flash out first before I get into all the accessories. So it comes in this little Velcro case. Pull this out. It's kind of a nice case. Oh, it looks nice. I love that it has the round shape. Here, let's put the diffuser on. Okay, so it just snaps on like that. Wow. Okay. Okay, so what's interesting about this flash compared to the ones that I've been using, both the Bolt and the Neewer that I had use AA batteries. This actually has a rechargeable battery, which I think will be nice because honestly, I was getting to where I had to keep batteries in my camera bag at all times, which was kind of tough. Okay, so here's the battery. Pull everything out here. So I can sit the box on the ground. Okay, so we have the instruction manual and charger. And then we also have the cord for the charger. So here's a bit of this is the charging seat. Now, and then it has this stand and you saw the case. I'm gonna grab my camera real quick so we can put it on. Okay, so I'm back. I actually went and charged the battery for a little bit. I know you're supposed to charge it to 100% before you use it, but I couldn't wait. So hopefully it was charged a bit before it got here, but I'm gonna show you. It just slides right in to the side like this and snaps in, and then it locks in place right there, which is kind of nice. There's not a cover for it. It's flush once you put it in. I am gonna take the plastic off. And It's interesting. There's a little lock. Let's see if you can see it. Lock and unlock button right here. You just push it in and it twists and locks into place, which is kind of nice. It's different than my other ones, just have the twisty gear. So let's see, let's put it back. Okay, so I have my Nikon Z6 here with, if you're curious, my 35 millimeter, sorry, my Sigma Art 35 millimeter lens. This is like my go-to combo. I know it's random, but I love this camera and I love this lens. So I have the mirrorless adapter right here, you can see. I even purchased, after I was shooting with mirrorless for a while, I purchased the 35 millimeter, the Nikon Z lens, and I hated it. The images were not what I wanted, so I sold it immediately and have continued to use the Sigma Art. I've had this for years, and this is my favorite lens for sure. So anyway, this is one of my cameras that I'm going to put the lens on. So you just put it in the hot shoe. Then we're gonna click it over to lock. There we go, it just kind of snaps in place right there. Okay, let's see if it's gonna turn on. So here it is turning on. And okay, so again, I've never used this before, so I'm just kind of figuring out where all the settings are. Here we go. Just gonna give it like a test. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so I actually have lights right here. I wonder if I could do some test shots, but let's see. So normally when I'll just say this, when I'm shooting with my flash on, which isn't terribly often, but mostly at newborn sessions, I almost always have it tilted backwards like this, because what I want it to do is like illuminate the room, reflect. I don't ever really want to use direct flash. Back when I was doing weddings years ago, which I don't shoot weddings anymore, I might have done something like this if I was in a really dark room or even outdoors at nighttime. But for newborn sessions, okay, let's see, this can come all the way. Let's do this. It's funny, it's not locking all the way in place. Oh, here we go, has to go to that side. There we go. So for newborn sessions, I'm either gonna have it like this, or even sometimes off to the side like this. So for example, if I'm shooting and there's a big window on this side, but it's dark on this side of the room, assuming it's not like a, bright color of paint, like a purple wall or something, like deep, dark purple, I'll have this bounce. Now, I'll be interested to use this diffuser because with my other flash, let me turn this off. I have never really used a diffuser on this. I actually did buy one of those, what are they called? A mag light, and you put the magnet in it, and I just didn't like it. It didn't look any different than using without. So I will be interested to see how this diffuser goes in my sessions. I might come back and share some images, but anyway, this is my new flash. Okay, so one last thing I did want to say is that this is currently discounted on Amazon right now. I think this is, let me look. This is normally $220, this flash, and it's marked down to $175.99, but they also have a coupon for $40 off, so an additional $40 off. I have the link below directly to this one that is discounted on Amazon if you're interested in purchasing it. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, or let me know if I should do more gear talk or product talk. Like I said, I'm not a big gear nerd, but I'm happy to talk about it. So anyway, see you guys next time.